Hello, precious people. Welcome to my channel. Funny thing happened when I sat down to film a video. Guess who came over to say hello? Say hi, Yogi. So I'm just peanut birthday pants. Yes. So he knows now. I don't know what I'm going to do about this, but we're going to have to work with you, little dude. Yes, we are, because you're my best guy, but no. At any rate, for those of you who don't know me, my name is Jen Gerard, and I'm the president and CEO of Gerard Cosmetics. This channel is monetized for charity, so by viewing the videos, watching the ads, leaving a little comment, or just somehow interacting with this channel, you are supporting two fantastic charities in my area. One is called Rescues on the Runway. It is an amazing dog rescue that on any given day has about 40 dogs, 25 cats, Lord knows how many goats, chickens, turkeys, donkeys, you name it, doves, she got everything. So, and the Domestic Violence Center of Santa Clarita. So all the proceeds from this channel do go to both of those charities. So I thank you both for watching, and the dogs thank you as well. So maybe that's why Yogi gets so excited when we go to film, because he knows that something good is going to be coming for his countrymen, his kin, you know? So not all dogs are as fortunate as Yogi, and not all dogs have homes. So we're just doing what we can to try to find homes for some of those lovable little guys that you see. At any rate, I digress. Today is Saturday, and I am getting ready to go to Miss Wendy Lee's birthday party. She's turning 24, and she's actually pregnant. She's gonna have a baby in about a month. So I'm gonna leave her information down below, her Instagram. Maybe just go over and send her a little birthday, a birthday love. Tell her I sent you, and if you're a mom, give her your top tip in motherhood. You know, never hurts. The more information you have, the better, right? So at any rate, I opened up the mail today, and I had gotten some new makeup in the mail. This is the Whalesong palette from Menagerie Cosmetics. I have been eyeballing this product for the longest, and it was sold out a couple of times, and the last time I saw it was on Annette's makeup corner. So I'll leave her information in the description box as well. And I was able to pick it up. Finally, I signed up for email notification when it came back, and when it came back, I made sure I grabbed it right away before it was gone. But the colors in here are so beautiful, so I want to try to do a look primarily with just this palette. You guys know I kind of move in the moment, so if something is calling me in, I feel like I need to bring something in from another palette, then I most certainly will. But this palette is beautiful, and Annette did an amazing look with it that I will most definitely link for you. So let's go ahead and... Okay, so I gave Yogi a couple of treats. Hopefully that will keep him busy while we do this. And we are going to start out with a coming soon from Gerard Cosmetics. This is an eye concealer base. I always want to start with a good base. A lot of people like concealer, a lot of people like eye bases. This is something kind of in between. Should be out towards the end of the year here. So I'm just gonna coat my whole lid area. I'm gonna try to stay in close with you guys so that you can see what it is that I'm doing. Okay. Now, I don't need to set. You can set the base if you want to. You don't need to set it. So I usually just skip that because I'm not trying to make my eyelids look wrinkly. And ooh, let's see what we're going to start with. I am going to start with this color called Dive right here. And we're just going to kind of work that into the crease and a little bit above. Whoa, hello, mommy. A little bit above, and we'll probably work it down a little bit below the crease as well. Holy cow, did that have a lot of pigment. My goodness. I think I'm gonna need to put some tape on so we don't get this everywhere. What do you say? Okay, so I stopped for just a second and just put some Scotch tape. This will help control the fallout and also give us a nice, super clean line. So I'm just gonna take a blending brush. Holy cow, this is, I did not expect that much pigmentation. I'm not gonna lie. I'm sure my reaction showed it. I've heard nothing but good things about this palette, and I really do love the color story, so super excited about that. Now I'm going to take this color Kitation and add that all the way up to the brow. There is a little bit of fallout in this palette, not a whole ton, but enough to mention. I honestly could care less. The biggest thing for me is, like, do palettes travel? And obviously, since I just got this today, I don't know if this palette will travel well, but that's my pet peeve when I have a palette that I really love that I can't travel with because the shadows will break or they're a little bit too soft. So these are a little bit on the softer side, but man, are they nice. So nice. Now I'm going to take this gorgeous green color Reef and just kind of build the crease up a little bit with that. Pretty green. I love colors like this. This palette reminds me a little bit of the Oceanic palette from Ace Beauty, which is one of my favorites. I was thinking about doing, I saw Jen Loves Reviews did a thing with her top, I think she did 15 palettes or 10 palettes. I was thinking I might try to do something like that, but I don't know if I'm disciplined enough to just pick that few. So it would be more of a challenge for me, but I love Jen Loves Reviews channel. I just love everything she does. She does the 21 Days of Beauty. Don't buy crap is the subtitle, which I think is funny. But I love how in depth she goes with ingredients and all of that. Let's see if we can just get that green to blend right there. Okay, pretty green bubble net, and just work that along the outer V. Holy cow! Another one. Coming with the pigment. Look at that. And we're just going to kind of buff the edges. I do like when you buff these. They don't disappear. The color stays really nice, but they just blend right in. Now I'm going to take this shade Barnacle and just kind of blend that into these other colors. And I'm still using the same brush from the last green. Now I'm going to take this gorgeous shade Fluke, and I'm going to use kind of a flatter edged brush. So we're going to see if we can apply this with a brush. I don't know about you guys, but I hate applying shadow with my finger. I don't know. Oh, you know what? Let's do this. We're going to spray it with a little Slay All Day. And that's just going to give it a little extra power because I could see that looked a little weak going on. Might help if I use the right side of the brush, right? One thing I will say is this color is gorgeous, but when I'm trying to pick it up with the brush, I don't know if you can see, like, it's not going on the brush evenly. It's going on a little bit chunky, which, you know, isn't the worst thing. Like I said, I just hate applying things with my fingers, so if I have to, I will, but spraying the brush, it's actually going on pretty good. I actually kind of like that. Nope. And anytime you need to give your eyeshadow a little bit of power, whether it's a matte or a shimmer, apply the shadow to your brush and then spray it, and you'll see that? Bam. So pretty. And you can see it didn't take a whole lot to build this color up. I was a little worried at first on this eye. I'm going to use this shade Breaching and work that just along the very edge, and again, I'm gonna spray it. This is a nice deep, like navy blue, and so I want to make a little bit of a wing with it, and then we're also gonna bring it along the lash line I tend to use shadow instead of eyeliner for this sort of thing, and just because I am a little bit older, and you know, eyeliner gets kind of cruddy after a little while, and so I find if I use shadow, it not only stays on a little nicer, but it looks a lot smoother, especially after a few hours has gone by. Wow, that's such a pretty color. It's really standing out too. I am liking it a lot. Okay, now I'm just taking the edge of that and blending it inward just a tiny little bit to give it a little bit of dimension. And I'm going to add an inner corner highlight. I like to use this shade Belle from Mermaid Scale. That just happens to be my absolute favorite inner corner. And I don't see anything in this palette that would match this beautiful yellow. So I don't know what it is with me and the yellow inner corner, but this color is just perfect for me. Okay, now I'm going to take the tiny little bit of excess and just blend that along the edge, just right there on the edge. Now what I'm going to do the rest of my face, put on some brows and all of that, and then I will be right back. And this is the finished look. I really do like this palette. I am gonna say some of these shades, like this this first blue one that I used, the pigmentation kind of blew me away. And I have to say, even though it took a second to get it right with a brush, I was able to apply this color Fluke with a brush, and it turned out super beautiful. So I really do like this palette. I'm super excited about it. I'm so glad I picked it up. If you haven't, leave in the comments what it is that that you like about it, or if you dislike it. And also, what is your favorite palette right now? And would you want to see me put a video together of my top however many palettes? I can't guarantee I could do 10. I'll try, but I can't. In the meantime, don't forget, if you want to order anything from Gerard Cosmetics, please use the code RESCUE. You will save 30% and the dogs will get 20%. Yay! Anyways, have a great day, everyone, wherever you are. Here comes Yogi, so let me sign off before he gets here. Love you so much. Bye!